Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 features of the all-new POCO F7, a phone that's pushing flagship boundaries at a surprisingly competitive price. Let's jump right in. First up, the massive 6.83-inch AMOLED display. You're getting 68 billion colors, 120 Hz refresh rate, and support for Dolby Vision and HDR10+. With a peak brightness of 3200 nits, this screen is crazy bright, even under direct sunlight. And thanks to 3840 Hz PWM dimming, it's easier on the eyes during extended use. Oh, and yes, it's protected by the latest Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Under the hood, the POCO F7 is powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, built on a 4nm process. It features the Cortex-X4 performance core and the new Adreno 825 GPU, making it a beast for gaming, multitasking, and everything in between. Plus, it runs on Android 15 with HyperOS 2, which is smooth, clean, and super responsive. This one's a power champion. The India model packs a 75550 mAh battery, while the global version comes with 6500 mAh. And get this, at 90 watts fast charging gets you up to 80% in just 30 minutes. Also, it supports 22.5 watt reverse wired charging, so you can even top up other devices. The F7 features a 50 megapixel main camera with OIS, which means stable shots even in low light. Add in an 8 megapixel ultra-wide for capturing more in a single frame, and you're covered for all angles. It shoots 4K at 60 FPS, 960 FPS slow-mo, and even the 20 megapixel selfie cam supports 1080p at 60 FPS for sharp, detailed vlogs or stories. This thing looks and feels premium, with a glass front and back, a solid aluminum frame, and just 8.2mm thickness. At 215 grams, it has a solid, confident grip. But the real kicker, it's IP68 certified, so it's fully dustproof and can survive in water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. So there you have it, the top 5 features of the POCO F7. Let me know in the comments. Would you pick this over other mid-range flagships? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech content. I'm Ashish Agastya, and I'll see you in the next one.